sibuka udaba lwakavela enkantolo kuba nalento ekuthiwa case law noma i-precedent, whereby you look at the processes that were followed, and then in the likely event it looks like inkantolo will rule ukuthi the process should be started afresh, indlungu lihlangane, inominate, kulandelwe all the processes. Now asazi ethi makathiwa inkantolo isho njalo kuyogcina kunominate webani, kodwa esithi in this case iyahlangana indlungu liphakamisuzwa ndamagwala, ningamenza njani ohlele esihlalweni njengamanje yayo, willing to reconcile noma ngafanele exile?
We have on a number of occasions,
yes,
expressed on that particular issue, that the entire process is not about a witch hunt.
Yes.
It's a quest for justice. Now, Prince Misuzulu, in fact, when we were discussing in the event, because we will have to also to recall that in passing the judgment of the 11th of December,
yes,
Judge Davis of the 25th,
yes,
of the 25th of January,
yeah, exactly,
the leave to appeal, did state that both the president and Prince Misuzulu have no prospects of success in any other court. However, they were granted leave to appeal because there were also two cross appeals, which would then suggest that had they approached the court to seek leave to appeal and the applicants had not crossed appealed, the judge would have declined leave to appeal. Then it tells you that it's highly likely that the judgment of the Supreme Court of Appeal or the order will go in favor of Ngonyama Uzondamagwala. And we have stated that approaching the court is not tantamount to a witch hunt, but it's a quest for justice. And Ngonyama Uzondamagwala has stated that Prince Misuzulu would have to be the first person to engage after the judgment, because Ngonyama has even stated that there would have to be a mechanism of ensuring that the living standard of Prince Misuzulu is not substantially altered. No, uzalwa inkosi, is the son of the king, and in terms of usiko lokufakwa esiswini, they are siblings. Ingonyama Uzondamagwala grew up at Wakhangela, Mankangana, so he's part of the Zulu royal family.
So basically you're saying even if the court dethrones him,
yeah,
he will still be accorded some respect?
Yes, because to him respect is genetical, because he is born of the kings. So other princes and princesses would still have to be accorded an appropriate level of respect. Remember, it's His Majesty the King that sounded a clarion call for the unity of the Zulu royal family. It was on the 17th of December 2023. So it's more than a year. It's going for 2 years since the king had sounded a clarion call for reconciliation within the Zulu royal family.
Thank you.
That's